Hello everyone, this is Otsumami channel from Japan. In this channel, I introduce you Japanese otsumami. Do you know what otsumami is? Originally, tsumamu means to pick up in Japanese. Otsumami is Japanese finger food which you can pick up and eat while you are drinking alcohol at home. I'm sure you're very lucky today, because after you watching this channel, you are going to take one small step to be the otsumami master. Okay, so let's get it started. Today's menu is Monjayaki. Monjayaki is a light meal similar to Okonomiyaki. But Monjayaki uses more water than Okonomiyaki and is made differently. First of all, you've got to chop the cabbage into pieces. Basically, what you need is cabbage, flour, and some seasonings. That's it. Easy, isn't it? And if you like, you can add some other ingredients as well. Okonomiyaki is famous in Osaka, in Japan. On the other hand, the origin of Monjayaki is said to be Tokyo. Usually, Monjayaki is made on a hot iron plate, but this is Otsumami channel, so I'm going to make it with frying pan, which means you can also make it at home. Next, you need to put up flour. This time, I put 3 spoons of flour for half size of a cabbage. And then pour a water. This time 300 ml of water. Next, Worcestershire. Then soy sauce. And if you like, you can put tenkatsu, Japanese deep-fried tempura batter, and hondashi, Japanese seasonings. If you don't have those, that's okay. No problem. Or if you like, you can put shrimps, meat, whatever you like. Because this is otsumami, we don't have to be professional. If you like it, that's the answer. And then, I strongly recommend you to put this, mentaiko. Nowadays, I think you can get one as a pasta sauce at the supermarket. That's the easiest way and quick, so I use it. And then, just mix it together. After mixing it, you can put the chopped cabbage. And here I teach you the otsumami technique. I put mochi, Japanese rice cake. This makes monjayaki much better. Watch out, it's hard. Okay, so all the preparation is done. Let's grill it. First, put some oil to the frying pan, then put cabbage and other stuff. But be careful not to pour the liquid at this point, and wait for a few minutes until the cabbage is well cooked. And this is the interesting part. Form the cabbage and other ingredients into a large donut shape and pour the liquid into the middle. When the liquid starts to solidify, mix all the ingredients together and flatten. At this point, I recommend you to put cheese. I love cheese. Monjayaki was originally Moji-yaki in Japanese. Moji means letter, like ABC. Yaki means to grill. Long time ago, Japanese children wrote letters on hot iron plate using Okonomiyaki liquid. So, Monjayaki, Monjayaki. Yeah, that's how we came from. Did you know that? I can guarantee you are learning more and more otsumami knowledge step by step to be the otsumami master. Now you can see it's getting a bit sticky. Now it's almost done. You can use this spatula to cook and eat it. You can take a bit of monjayaki and put it and press it with spatula, like I'm doing right now. Now it's done. Now let's eat. Itadakimasu. That's good. It's very soft and tasty. The mentaiko and cheese is doing good job. Okay, let's move on to drinking part. Today's drink is this. Premium malts. Beer, of course. You always need beer when you eat monjayaki. So let's drink. Kanpai! That's great. The saltiness of okonomiyaki matches the beer very well. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. In this channel, I introduce you Japanese otsumami to make you otsumami master. So, see you next time. Sayonara!